What's going on, guys? Today we are gonna be picking up some more stuff. I picked up the air compressor and I mentioned that I needed the air hose and the air hose connection to the air tank. So I'm gonna see if I can find that today. I'm on my way to Harbor Freight now, and then I'm gonna hit up Home Depot because I am looking for a newer toolbox, because right now I only have like a tool cart with like one drawer, and I have too many tools and it's super unorganized and I hate it. So I'm looking for a actual toolbox. I've seen a couple of them at Home Depot, like a Husky, but something that has a top where I could kind of make like a workbench out of it. And I'm gonna see if Harbor Freight has any. If they do, I might pick one up, depending on the price of it. But that's what we're gonna be doing today, which is basically getting more stuff to prep the driveway, the garage, the shop, whatever you want to call it. I'll get back to you guys when either I'm at the store or back at the shop, and show you guys what I got. Because I am looking for some more tools. I'm always I'm always looking out for some tools. You can never have too much of tools. So we're gonna be doing that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But before we even start the whole entire day, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell button so you can be notified when I put out a new video and be the first ones to watch. And that subscribe button also, that helps a lot. Thank you, guys. Let's get the day started. Let's go to Home Depot. No, we're going to Harbor Freight first. Let's go to Harbor Freight first and then see what we can find there. All right, we're back at I'm back at the shop, and let me show you guys what I got. So I went ahead and picked up the air hose that I needed for the air compressor. I did find these cool lights that you hang. I'll be hanging on the roof. I got two of them just in case. They were 17 bucks. That's freaking awesome. Oh, I got this little laying down roller creeper. I also picked up an air gauge, all of the fittings, and this little air hammer tool kit thing. I have an air hammer, but I don't have these adapters. So yeah, I picked all of that up, and we are getting ready to, well, first I'm gonna start off with the air compressor, and then I'm gonna tackle the lights, because I don't really need the lights right now, so I'm gonna tackle that a little later. All right, so I'm gonna put the fitting on the air compressor. I do not have Teflon tape. I had some, I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna have to go buy some later. But I just want to put everything there, make sure everything fits if I bought the correct stuff. I went ahead and picked up 50 feet of air hose. Hopefully that should be enough to maneuver everywhere I need to go. But let's go ahead and do this. See if that just goes in there. So I got this fitting, like a little quick release to go in here, then put another, like a little fitting onto this, so I could have a quick release to the hose, to the compressor, if I ever need to move it around, or if I ever just don't want to use this. And I don't know, I like having quick release options. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that instead of just the hose directly. Ouch. Ouch. That way I can have a quick release here and I'll be okay. About these fittings, That way I can have a fitting to this, and then this one will go at the end of the hose, and I'll be straight. All right, we got power and work. There is a couple leaks, but that's because I don't have Teflon tape. But I was only testing the compressor to see if it actually does work, and it does. I just gotta go pick up some Teflon tape, but I want to tackle the lights now. I was thinking of putting one here and one down there. The light is up, guys. That is so dope. I love the light. It looks super cool. I am missing the front one because I still have to figure out how I'm gonna run the extension cord. But yo, look at this. Put this hood down. Look. Imagine the other light being right there. That'll look so sick. Then you walk back here, you got your toolbox, which I have to upgrade because that's super tiny. Got your air compressor. I gotta clean that up. But dude, that is awesome. And I could adjust this cord so I can have it like up here and it won't hit the hood when I pop the hood or anything. But look how awesome that is. That is dope. $17. I cannot beat that. And it's LED, never changeable bulbs. That's super cool. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Oh man, tonight I should be taking off the transmission. I want to remove the transmission. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I want to do it tonight because I have light and I want to use the light. But that's just me being a kid. But man, I'm so excited about that. Sorry guys, I'm just excited about it. It's the little things that matter. I'm telling you guys, it's the little things that matter that make a total difference. Now my lighting for the camera is a lot better, and I could see, and it's just in addition to the shop. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell button so you can be notified when I shoot out a new video. Oh, toolbox is about to fall. Always guys, keep it real. See you guys later. I'm gonna keep enjoying my light.